Okay, part 2 of preparing for my build on the Sitara. This is still working on demoing the utility bed, and let me see if I can get this turned around. Well, it's not letting me. So anyway, I'll just do it this way. So, as you can see, back up a little bit, that box is all gone right there except for the bottom. Kind of hard to see this. I got to take this panel out. That panel down there. This box is all cut out. That box is all cut out. My next move is I'm going to cut out this inner fender. Then I'm going to cut the top off and cut this front panel, and then cut that back panel off. And that's where I'll be. I don't know if I'm going to keep this piece or not. I might find a use for it somewhere as a stiffener brace. But that's where I'm at. So I'm still plugging away. Got a nice gash today. Of course, on a sharp, rusty corner. Of course. Good thing I already had my tetanus shot. But okay, I know that's a short video. But I'm just taking my time. Actually, I was trying to rush, but using the cutoff wheel, it's a slow process. So, but yeah, overall, it's getting there. One side's almost done, and it would definitely be helpful if I had some sort of protection from the sun. I thought about one of those portable canopies, one of those portable garages, but here we get 85, 90 mile an hour winds on a regular basis, so that wouldn't last very long. Even tying it down, that would destroy it. So if anybody has any suggestions or ideas, let me know. Okay, we'll talk to you later.